What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another video, man. In today's video, we're gonna be going over all the hype releases of November. You know what I'm saying? All the profitable, all the limited shoes coming out in the month of November. Make sure you guys do stay tuned for the entire video. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. Hey man, we have 2 more months left of 2020, you feel me? October was something crazy, bro. October was something serious. October was like, it was like week after week we was getting heat. But this month is pretty good as well, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go over all the hype releases. Like I said, we're only focusing on the most profitable and limited sneakers coming out of this month. Now in this video, we're gonna be going over when the shoes are gonna be coming out and early resale predictions for each of the sneakers as well. All right guys, so start it off on November 10th, the Nike Dunk Low veneers are gonna be dropping. Now retail for these shoes is gonna be $180 and I do see resale being anywhere from $250 plus, you feel me? Now you guys know this year has been the year of the dunk. Dunks have went crazy this year. So any dunk that drops, usually you can make some type of money on it, you feel me? Even if it's lunch money, you can make some type of money, but I do see some good money to be made on these shoes. All right guys, on the very next day, November 11th, we do have the Nike SB Dunk Low Atmos Safari. Now these shoes will be retailing for $100 and as you guys know, man, like I just said, dunks are very hyped this year. I see these shoes sitting anywhere from $300 plus on the price scale, just because it does have that classic elephant print, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people that do love that elephant print, so I think these shoes will do well in resale value because their dunks in the colorway is pretty nice as well. All right guys, now also on November 11th, we could see the Air Jordan 1 Top 3 2.0s to be released as well. Now this is just a rumor, you feel me? I've been seeing a lot of pictures of these as well circulate throughout the market, and I think if these do actually drop, these will do numbers. If you guys don't remember the original top 3s that did drop, you know what I'm saying? Them boys was crazy, you feel me? Now if you guys don't remember the original Air Jordan 1 top 3s did do numbers, you know what I'm saying? I could pull up some pictures right here, and these are kind of just like the same thing, but it's slight differences on these shoes compared to the originals. Now resale for these sneakers is gonna be $170 if they do drop, and I see resale being anywhere from $300 and up. You know what I'm saying? The colorway of a top 3 is just iconic, but I mean, I think the original top 3s are doing like 500 plus right now. Last time I looked, they're like 500 and up. So yeah, if these do drop, bro, these are gonna be crazy. All right guys, now also dropping on November 11th, the Yeezy 350 V2 fades are gonna be releasing. Now as you guys know, bro, Yeezys are dead, you know what I'm saying? Sadly, I had to come to grips with it. Yeezys are dead. I was a big fan of Yeezys. I thought Yeezys were one of the best shoes in the world because they were so hyped. You know what I'm saying? I was kind of riding the hype train. I'm not gonna cap. But now, I mean, Yeezys, it's too much of them coming out, bro. And this colorway suck in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think this colorway is hard? Because in my opinion, I'm not even gonna describe what it looks like. But anyway, these are supposed to drop on November 11th as well, and retail should be $220. And I see these shoes. I mean, you could probably make lunch money off of these shoes. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you go for the base sizes, it's more money to be made in the base sizes. I see these shoes sitting anywhere from $280 to maybe $320 max. I don't see these doing too well, but if you guys do get your hands on them, just know it is a little bit of lunch money to be made. All right guys, now November 12th, the Jordan 5 Wuthers are scheduled to drop. Now the retail for these pair is gonna be $220. Now I do see reselling these shoes being anywhere from $275 to $300. I don't see these doing numbers like that, bro. I thought these shoes are gonna be very, very hyped. I thought these shoes were gonna do numbers at first, bro. But then, you know what I'm saying, once the stock numbers came to the equation, and once the early access came in, you know what I'm saying, prices just dumped. Prices suck right now. You don't even have enough room for these shoes to drop to even be like very profitable on. So I don't see these shoes doing big numbers like that. Maybe if you do end up holding them for a couple years, but if you don't intend to hold these shoes and you're just trying to sell them and get some quick cash, you could probably make $30 to $50 max on these shoes, bro. All right guys, now November 13th, we do have the Nike Dunk High Platinums dropping. And this is basically just, you know what I'm saying, an all white Dunk High. It's very simple, bro. It's really too simple, but just because dunks are hype, they are gonna go for some type of money. Now retail is looking to be at $120, and I do see resale performing anywhere from $300. I take that back, $250 to $300 plus. That's what I would say resale for these shoes, just because they are dunks, and it is gonna be a very wearable shoe because it's just a solid colorway. I do see resale being pretty good on these shoes. So make sure you guys keep your eyes out for those shoes. All right, guys. Now I want to thank Coin Candy for sponsoring this video, and I know you guys do have some trouble with copping shoes out there. Now, Coin Candy is an exclusive community dedicated to helping its users maximize their profits through a range of different opportunities. Now, I'm gonna show you guys a lot of the group's features and why I think it's, basically a no-brainer to join this group. Now, they are gonna be officially launching November 15th for a subscription price of $24.95 per month, and I do think it's absolutely worth it, you feel me? And spots are gonna be very limited for the subscription, so make sure you guys do check that out. CoinCandy.co, I'm gonna have the link to the website in the description. Now, Coin Candy has ultra-fast monitors which never let you miss a restock, premium information for every single hype release, every single detail such as early links, raffle links, release guides, exclusive in-store info, resale predictions, all that, you feel me? They're gonna have all that on their Discord. They're gonna have free slots. Now, if you guys don't know what slots are, it's basically where they get a bot. You tell them what shoes you want. Say I want the mochas. You tell them, okay, I want the mocha size 9. You pay them a certain amount, but in this case, they are free. You know what I'm saying? You tell them, oh, I want a size 9. They put it on their bot. They get the shoes for you. Easy peasy. You feel me? So they're gonna have free slots in this group, as well as free bot rentals, custom software. My favorite being the cop tool, which you can see on the screen. It includes a cookie generator, a one-click generator, proxy generator, browser spoofer, auto link opener, and account generator. They also have a Chrome autofill extension and a tool for you to track your profit and losses. They also have cards, as you guys know, bro, sports cards, Pokemon cards, all those things are blowing up right now. They have all the investment advice you're gonna need for cards, if you're trying to get into cards like me, you're trying to figure out which card you should go for, which card is gonna make you the most amount of money, they're gonna have all that information as well in the Discord. Exclusive partnerships and group buys, flips and trivias, e-commerce and stocks, they have a great team. You're gonna have access to free drop shipping courses and guides, support with e-com experts, trading advice, and more. There's so much for their users to take advantage of, you feel me? They also provide a lot of bot support for their members. They provide bot setups for each release, bot recaps, bot guides, and more. They also have one-on-one support, each member gets 24/7 support from the group members, the admins, all of that. And they also have a great community, you feel me? You can join a community of people doing the same thing as you. You can learn, you can network, do all that, do all you need to do, everything you need to do, you know what I mean? So make sure you guys hit the link in the bio, I really think it's really undervalued at $24.95 a month, but make sure you guys do go check it out. It's gonna be the first link in the description, and let's get right back into the video. All right, boys, we back. I had to take the jacket off, bro. It's getting a little too toasty here. But anyway, November 13th, we are going to be seeing the Nike Sakai Vapor Waffles dropping as well. These are going to be retailing for $180 US. And I do see resale being anywhere from $250 to $350 plus on these sneakers. These sneakers have been delayed and pushed back. I remember seeing leaks probably like over a year ago, like just about a year ago for these sneakers, So these shoes are very hyped. They're going to be very hard to get because I've heard stock is very low. So make sure you guys keep your eyes out on this release as well. Now, the 14th of November, we are going to be seeing the Nike Jordan 1 Japan Navy. Now, these are going to be retailing at $170 US, and resale at the moment isn't high at all, bruh. These are looking like bricks. Like, if you look at resale right now, these are looking like straight bricks. Resale is sitting about $230, $240. I see these, at first, these are going to brick for sure, bruh. These could be a good hold, but as of right now, these are sitting. I would just say wait until the actual release date does approach and see what prices are doing so you can know what to do with these shoes. Now, guys, also dropping on November 14th is going to be the Yeezy 700 V3 Safflower. This is going to be retailing at $200 US, and like I've told all my boys, Yeezy 700 V3s are like one of the most hyped Yeezy models out right now, bruh. Every time a Yeezy 700 V3 does drop, it always does numbers, so I would expect nothing less of this colorway, I do see these being anywhere from $300 to $350 US plus, especially if you do end up holding these shoes. These shoes increase in value tremendously once you do hold them. So if you do plan on getting these shoes, good money to be made. All right, guys, now next on November 21st, we will be seeing the Nike Dunk High SB Millard. Now, these are going to be retailing at $120 US, and prices right now are ridiculous, bro. It's probably because it's not that much pairs on the market, probably just only a few pairs, so people are like holding the market. But realistically, I see these doing anywhere from $250 to $300, maybe possibly plus. I guess we just got to see how market performs. But this is a dunk year, bro. Dunks are gonna do money. They're gonna go for some money each and every time. So make sure you guys do go for these shoes as well. All right, guys. Now November 27th, the next shoe we're gonna be seeing is the Nike Kobe 5 Protro Bruce Lee. Now, these are going to be retailing at $180 US, and I don't know if you guys are into reselling Kobe's, because I personally wouldn't resell any Kobe's, but I mean, resale is probably gonna be there if you are that type of person. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad or nothing, but you know what I'm saying? If you do want to resell these, it probably is some good money to be made on these shoes because this is a fire colorway in my opinion, and I think they were supposed to drop previously as well, and they were pushed back. So hype is built up around these shoes, so make sure you guys do watch out for these shoes as well. Now November 28th, we are going to be seeing the official release of the Jordan 4 Fire Red. Now as you guys know, exclusive access was put out for sneakers about a week ago, so prices aren't looking too good right now, like a typical GR Jordan release, you know what I'm saying? It's just kind of dead. Resale is kind of dead. But if you guys do go for these shoes, it probably is going to be easy lunch money to be made on these shoes. I would say these shoes are going to be going from anywhere from $220 to $240 in that small little range right there. It's not that much money to be made, but if you do get enough pairs, you can make some solid bread. Now also on November 28th, we are going to be seeing the Yeezy 380 Onyx. Now these are going to be coming out in a reflective and a non-reflective colorway. These are the only 380s in my opinion that are going to do some numbers. I mean, because all black colorways on Yeezys always go crazy. I don't care what model it is. I don't care. But triple black always does numbers for Yeezy. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys watch out for these shoes. These shoes are definitely gonna go crazy in my opinion, especially the reflective ones. I mean, even the cinders, but the cinders were bricks at first, and now they're, you know what I'm saying, they're starting to increase their value slightly. I do see resale being anywhere from 300 plus on these shoes. So like I said, guys, keep your eyes out on these shoes. November 28th. Now November 30th, we'll be seeing the Nike Jordan 1 Gold Patent. Now in my opinion, these shoes are ugly, bro. I'm not even gonna cap with you. I would not wear these shoes. I wouldn't even buy them, bro. Unless resale is like crazy, I don't even want to touch these shoes. But these shoes are dirty to me. They're just nasty, bro. I hate them. I think it's because of all the patent leather in. Like the colorway to me is bad, but these are gonna be retailing at $170 US, and I see them being anywhere from $220 to possibly $250, $240 around that range. Little lunch money to be made, and you know what I'm saying? I mean, you might like this colorway. There's a lot of people that do like this colorway, so it is some money to be made in these sneakers as well. Now, the last confirmed shoe of this month is going to be the Yeezy 500 Utility Black, dropping on November 30th as well. Now, retailing these shoes is going to be $200, and as of right now, these shoes are sitting at around $500 for all pairs. But resale is probably going to be anywhere from $300 to $350. Plus, I mean, this shoe is classic. Colorway is classic. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys do keep your eyes out for all those shoes I went over in the list. You feel me? And make sure you guys do subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. Like the video and comment down below saying what's your favorite shoe from this list. It's been your boy, and I'm out.